gas earlier, and this lady was coughing. Asphyxiation. This lady was declaring her love for her boyfriend. Declaration. Somebody was trying to manipulate us for some money. Manipulation. Some people have cataracts. Categorization. We lost some air in the tires. Deflation. We seen some shrimps and crabs on the way here. Crustacean. Lauren just graduated from school. Graduation. We stopped, got something to eat. Fluctuation. The gas prices went up at the pump. Inflation. They've been going up and down since we've been on this trip. Fluctuation. Some people can't have kids. Sterilization. I hate the increase in taxes. Taxation. We've been halfway around